What's up, traders? Vincent Mokoteni giving you an update on this week's weekly review of losses and lessons that happened in the past week. Now, before we continue, let me start by saying in trading, success is not built only on wins, but built on discipline, transparency, and the ability to learn from every outcome. That's why I created this losses and lessons review, a space where we don't just celebrate profits but also study the trades that didn't work out. Most signal providers hide their losses, but here we do the opposite. Why do we do so? Because real traders know that every loss carries a lesson, and every lesson makes us stronger for the next opportunity. By reviewing the challenges of the past week, you will learn how professional traders analyze setbacks. You will also learn the psychology behind decision making in the market, and you will also learn how to turn mistakes into strategies for future growth. This is what makes our community unique. We grow through transparency, education, and real experience. If you want to trade like a professional, not just follow hype, this is a place for you. So this weekly reviews of losses and lessons only consist of one pair, as it is the only pair that we did get stopped out of. Everything went exactly as we expected it to. So from the week before last, this was the momentum that we just used. So instead, we decided that this was our first supply zone and our second supply zone, as we were looking for cross opportunity. Now, the first supply zone, this is where we entered our first signal, and a stop loss was right about here. This is the number one losses, and after that, the market came straight up, took our stop losses. The first loss that we took in our mind, the psychology and our emotions, we will still come as our weekly break of structure was not invalidated. Thus, this made us confident still in going for short. And on Tuesday, it was on CPI, we were able to jump in the market, and we were in profit on Tuesday. This was a retest, a continuation, a retest, and a continuation, given the fact that we had already lost once from here. This was we didn't move any. If you go and check our daily videos that we post, you will understand that we did not move price to break even on this pair, as we did have an understanding that the Canadian dollar was already weak, so we wanted to give it the room for retest before continuing to the downside, as long as our levels are not reached. So with that being said, after this low on Thursday, the Canadian dollar started becoming weaker and weaker, and it was evident right here. This is where we got invalidated, and we started to realize that the Canadian dollar is performing as the weakest currency of the week, and this led us to look for buying opportunities and not selling opportunities no more. So in the second loss right here that we encountered, that also invalidated. This is where we were conscious enough of the fact that the Canadian dollar is weaker than we anticipated it to be weak for. Because remember, both the US dollar and the Canadian dollar, they were both weak during this week. They were both weak. So with them being as weak as they were, or with them being as weak as they are, the Canadian dollar came out the biggest loser out of the two. So this is why the dollar gained strength on Wednesday, and even on Thursday it still failed to make the continuation to the downside. Hence, we just got in here, and we are still in a trade or phase analysis. So without wasting time again, guys, thank you. This is what happened during our week, intraday week. This where the week started. This is what our first loss. It was analyze the loss. The lesson is that the Canadian dollar is no longer on the positive side, but it is on the negative side now, which means shorts selling the Canadian dollar pairs going into the Canadian dollar against majority of the currencies next week will be a fantastic setup for you. So the lesson is the Canadian dollar is now among the weakest in this coming week going into next week. So make sure you understand, make sure you see, make sure you see the review. This community, if you want to join our trading signal, this community is only for those who are ready to trade real accounts. So make sure that you contact us or you register through our broker link. After registering through our broker link, you'll be automatically added to the group or our Telegram channel. It depends on the client which one they deserve or which one they should rather be part of this trading scheme and be part of this trading scheme. So without wasting further time, make sure you WhatsApp us, make sure you text us, make sure you DM us right here, or make sure you comment if you want to join us, because we trade live, publicly, and without shame. I know there are other people who trade live, publicly, without shame. I have never seen anybody review their losses publicly though. That's why I wanted to do it without shame also. So without wasting further time, this was a fantastic, everything went, this was a fantastic week, everything went as quickly as we said it will go. This was the only pair where we just stopped out twice, and we are now in a trade that is aiming to go to the upside. This is our analysis going into next week, and taking see this and then take out our 1 to 1 ratio. This will be a fantastic setup. So thank you guys for watching this video again. Make sure you comment if you want to join. Make sure you comment if this video has taught you something. And yeah, thanks and happy trading. See you next week. We will be dropping another video of next